The exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equals to the opposite interior angle of the cyclic quad. So let's draw a cyclic quad like this. Let's call it ABCD as well. A, B, C, D. Now an exterior angle is always formed when you elongate one of the sides. So this is an exterior angle. Let's call it angle C1 and angle C2 here. As a statement, the angle C1 is an exterior angle of this cyclic quad. It is equals to not this one, not that one, and not that one, but this one on the other end. If you teach yourself to do what I did here, you will always get an exterior, you will always know which angle is equal to the exterior angle of a cyclic quad. So the reason is exterior angle cyclic quad.